All righty, Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. And what a day. I say a lot of times the market can do anything at any time. And I think today was one of those days. We had the Nasdaq just get smashed, going out pretty much on lows. S&P, the same. And meanwhile, the Dow basically goes out on highs. And the Russell kind of went down. But not a lot. And, it's a tough one here because I've said many times that I think a healthy bull market is one where the Nasdaq leads. And we have seen, obviously, since last Thursday when we got that CPI, that the Nasdaq is certainly not leading. It is lagging by quite a bit. We look at this Nasdaq versus this S&P versus, obviously, this Dow and the Russell. And the Nasdaq is definitely lagging. But at the same time, we have this rotation going on, which showed up as something that should go on the COT in the last couple of weeks. So it's kind of 6 of one, half done of the other. I think the best thing to do if you'd managed to get the Russell long is to probably trade short Nasdaq against it as it's lagging on days like today. That trade has been working. And will probably continue to work in this situation. Probably the best way to do it. Kind of like a few months ago when I was shorting, I believe it was Dow, and I was trading Nasdaq long against it on days when the Nasdaq was leading up. This is the opposite thing to that. I think that's probably the best way to trade this. I will say that today was a good day for COT stuff. And that's kind of how it should be, because on days like today where everybody's confused, people are losing money on what has been working, they start liquidating. And if we're putting on trades that are super crowded, then when the liquidation happens, we're going to hopefully benefit from that. And that's what happened. Today was one of the best days that I've had this year. Is this rotation thing? We know, and I've spoken about quite a bit, how getting the breath bears out was going to be an important part of the market topping. The breath clearly has exploded here. But the $1 million question is, how long does that last and when does it end? And we don't know. But we're going to keep our eye on positioning to see if the positioning comes out this week and the Russell shorts got way out, then I think we're maybe in some danger here, in particular with the Nasdaq lagging and if it continues to lag. But all we can do is wait and see and stick with what we're doing. Okay. Those are my thoughts for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope everybody is doing well. And we will talk again tomorrow. Thanks.